This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at Tesla and Apple. Now, Apple has its earnings on Thursday after the close, and they should come out there probably around 4:30. They usually run a little bit late. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Tesla, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. So we're going to review each chart separately here. Okay, so we look at the daily chart here. Okay, this thing sold off pretty good and has been just holding this bottom. Now it's sideways, kind of like an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now the key to this is going to be, we want to watch is this candle right here. Okay, the high on this is 169.70. That's the gap. Okay, and then we want to look at this candle right here. You want to look to the bottom of that. That's 177.65. That's the fill. Okay, so those are two nice targets. Now, there's a lot of stuff in the center of this resistance. So we look at this 100 SMA. We're looking at 169.50. Okay, we're looking at 173.97 here. And then if it can fill this gap, then your big target here would be 183.94. Okay, now on your weekly chart, your resistance levels here is going to be this 21. This is sitting at 168.94. Then if that can get above, then we want to look here to this 200 SMA here, sitting at 179.17, and then this 8 SMA here, sitting at 180.17. Okay. So that's a very, very lot of really big resistance in there. You're going to have the nice catalyst to get through all that. Okay, on the monthly chart here, we want to look here at 173.42, and then we want to look at this key 8 SMA here, sitting at 182.15. See how this 8 SMA, it just keeps pushing it down, pushing the price, and it goes up, goes up. The 8 SMA is a very, very key resistance and support levels. So you always want to incorporate that into your charts. Now, on the downside, what we want to do is we want to look here at the 8 SMA here on your weekly chart. This is sitting at 160.94. But you notice it's kind of going sideways. It is holding it. If it loses it, then you want to look to this candle here. Okay, this is 158.93. Then you want to look here. This is 158.83. This is 157.32. And then you have your retest here at 152.37. But this is just like a sideways action. If you look at a little bit bigger picture here, you're basically, you just want to go and try to rally up here and try to get back at these highs here. And then if you look here, like on your weekly chart here, your left shoulder here, your head, your right shoulder is still intact. As long as you don't lose this candle right here, which is basically that 152.37. So this is still just sideways action unless you have a big sell down. And then you want to watch this 8 SMA here. Then watch that key 152.37, the retest. And on the upside, just watch this gap right here. Okay, that's at 169.70, and then watch that fill, okay, to see if that can fill that. That's at 177.65. All right, here we have the Apple, your daily, weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, Apple's had a really, really nice, good run-up. Now, remember, their earnings are tomorrow, and it's not going to be the earnings as much as the guidance. The guidance going forward is going to be the key level, okay? So let's just look at the upside target. So you can see here, when this sold, it made a high, a lower high, a lower high. Now we got to see if it can go back up. So what we want to do is we want to look at this candle right here. This is sitting at 171.05. That's going to be a target. Then we want to look at this candle here. This is sitting at 172.17, and then your topping tail one is sitting at 176.15. If you can get above, then we look here. Okay, we want to look at 178.49. Then we want to look at a 179.61, and then your big retest here is 182.94. If it can close above that, like right here on this monthly chart, then it's blue sky. Now on the downside, you want to look at this 8 SMA here. Okay, this has always been very, very strong here. So 164.30 here on your weekly chart. Just see how this price following it up, following it up. So you just don't want to lose that, because then you can come down and test this area here. So watch this 8 SMA right here. This is 167.34. And then watch this 21 here at 165.59. And then the bottom of this candle right here, which is sitting at 162.80. Those are your key support levels. If not, you're going to come down to this area right here, which is 159.78, and then possibly test this 50-day at 158.96. So I am long the stock, and I'll probably sell half of it before, and then I'll see how the other half shakes out here tomorrow there after the close. All right, thanks for watching.